So you want to know how to install a CPU contact frame just like this? Well, watch this video. So I need to move this CPU contact frame from this motherboard to another one. So what I need to do is I need to unscrew it from this one. So now just lift it out. And this is a new motherboard we're going to be using. So what I'm doing here is I'm unscrewing all the screws from the stock frame that comes with the motherboard so we can put the new one in. And it should be easy just to lift out. Once that's done, what you want to do is you want to place the CPU inside the socket, like so. Then all you need to do is put the contact frame back on top of it. Then all we're going to do is we're going to go around doing the screws, just make sure we get them all in kind of tight. And the last thing we're going to do is make sure we put thermal paste on, guys. And if you like this video, drop a like.